Good morning, dear students. I, Vijayalakshmi, your teacher of English, going to discuss with you all sample paper 1 for class 10 for the subject English language and literature. The maximum marks are 80 and time allowed is 3 hours. Dear students, here today we are going to solve sample paper 1 reading section and writing section. So the sample paper is based on CBSE guidelines. You are to prepare accordingly and solve this sample paper in your assignment notebooks as well. So come on, let's start with section A, reading, and let us start with the instruction that are given over there. The question paper comprises 3 sections, section A, B and C. Section A, reading, is of 20 marks. Section B, writing and grammar, 30 marks. Section C, literature, 30 marks. Answers should be brief and to the point. There is no overall choice in question paper. However, an internal choice has been provided in the question paper. All questions are compulsory. Separate instructions are given with each section wherever necessary. Do not exceed the prescribed word limit while answering the question. So come on, let us start the question 1, section A, reading section. So come on, dear children, let us start with section B, which is writing plus grammar, and as you know, it is of 30 marks. Now CBSE has introduced some changes in the blueprint for class 9th and 10th. So according to that changes, this paper has been set. Now you see, question number 3 is letter writing and it is of 10 marks. As you know, objective of any writing is to use an appropriate style and format to write a formal letter, and you are to keep this thing in your mind that no marks are to be awarded if only the format is given. So keep in mind, you are very much sure about the format, about the objective of writing a letter in your exam. Now you see, here is given question number 3 that says, the washing machine you bought has started giving trouble and it is making a loud noise. Write a letter in about 100 to 150 words to the dealer about the same and request him to replace the washing machine at the earliest. Invent details on your own. You are Katrina or Kavi. And keep in mind, this question is of 10 marks. Earlier, letter writing was of 8 marks, but now this change has been introduced, and according to new pattern, letter writing is of 10 marks. So first of all, what you are to do in writing a letter, you are to write the self address, means the address of the person who is writing the letter. Then after writing self address, you are to write date. Keep in mind, you are to leave one line in between. After writing date, you are to write the address of the person to whom you are writing this letter. You are writing to the dealer, Messrs. Gupta and Company, Kamlanagar, Delhi. Then you are to write, keep in mind, here also you are to leave one line, then you are to write subject. complain regarding a defective washing machine. After that, again leave one line and then write, Dear Sir. Again leave one line, then write, A month ago I purchased a Glido washing machine from your outlet wide cash memo number this, dated 1st Feb, for about a month, exactly 25 days. Its working was satisfactory. Now it has started giving trouble. It makes a loud noise and stops on its own all of a sudden. The machine does not wash the clothes properly. I'm sure some manufacturing defect has impaired its working. Since this machine is within the guarantee period, I request you to replace it with a new one at the earliest. I have been your regular customer and I purchase articles on your expressed recommendation and good faith, hoping for an immediate replacement of the washing machine. Again leave one line and write yours sincerely, and at the end you have to write name. So this is our question number 4. Now let us move on to question number 4. Here you are given a picture and you are asked to watch this picture and write an analytical paragraph in about 100 to 150 words, and this analytical paragraph may be on the basis of any report. Maybe you are asked to write an analytical paragraph on the basis of any chart, maybe any pie chart, maybe any report or newspaper clipping, and on the basis of these you are to write that analytical paragraph. So here you can see this is about the river pollution. So you make your points ready and start writing an analytical paragraph on river pollution. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next part of this video.